Hello, fellow architecture enthusiasts. Welcome to MHYSMQH channel, where we explore how building design blends form, function, and perfect harmony with the surrounding environment. Nestled amidst majestic peaks, this modern chalet blends rustic charm with sleek design. A lush green garden and a gentle mini waterfall enhance the serene atmosphere. Natural stone and wood textures harmonize perfectly with the fresh mountain air, creating an inviting and peaceful sanctuary. Step into warmth and elegance defined by high ceilings and exposed wooden beams. Large windows frame breathtaking mountain views, flooding the room with natural light. Soft furnishings and cozy textures create an inviting space perfect for relaxing while enjoying the stunning scenery outside. Experience the heart of the home in this spacious, open-concept design. The modern kitchen flows seamlessly into the family area, opening wide to a terrace and backyard. It brings the outdoors inside, offering fresh air, natural beauty, and a perfect space for gathering and creating memories. Your private escape designed for ultimate rest and rejuvenation. Rich wood accents, plush bedding, and panoramic mountain views create a tranquil ambience. The room balances luxury and comfort, offering a quiet haven where you wake up refreshed, surrounded by nature's beauty. Indulge in a spa-like experience with natural stone surfaces and modern fixtures. The design combines rugged elegance with clean lines, creating a refreshing and calming atmosphere. It is a private sanctuary that offers relaxation and luxury, perfectly complementing the mountain lifestyle. Extend your living space outdoors to this stunning terrace. Surrounded by a meticulously designed garden and breathtaking views, it is the perfect spot to relax. Enjoy fresh mountain air, nature's beauty, and peaceful moments in this elegant outdoor setting.